What happens when you take one of the most powerful magnetic stones on earth and pair it with the softest, most feminine gem that exists? You get something extraordinary. You get hematite and white pearl, a combination so striking, so bold yet elegant that once you see it, you simply cannot unsee it. So, hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. And by the way, I am perfectly fine, Alhamdulillah. So, welcome back to BB Shine. We're diving deep into this incredible pairing, the necklaces, the bracelets, the layered sets, the history, and the meaning behind this duo that jewelry lovers worldwide are obsessing over right now. If you love jewelry that makes a statement and a story, you are in exactly the right place. So, don't go anywhere because this one is going to blow you away. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the design, let's talk about the star of the show that is hematite. Now, hematite is not your average gemstone. This is iron ore, literal iron, and when it's polished to a smooth finish, it becomes this absolutely gorgeous metallic gray color, black, with a mirror like sheen that looks almost liquid. The name hematite actually comes from the Greek word hema, meaning blood, because in its raw form, when you grind it, it leaves a deep red streak. Ancient warriors used to crush it and apply it to their bodies before battle, believing it made them invincible. The ancient Egyptians used it as the amulet. Native American tribes used it for protection. In Feng Shui, it's known as the stone of grounding and strength. So when you're wearing hematite, you're not just wearing a jewelry, you're carrying thousands of years of power, protection, and history around your neck and wrist. And the texture, that polished, smooth, almost reflective surface catches every single light in the room. It has this cool metallic weight to it, heavier than most pairs, which gives it a luxury feel. You can actually feel when you hold it. The various design styles included in the video, so let's get started. The first one is the classic alternating strand. This is the most timeless version of this combination. Like imagine a single strand necklace where round hematite beads and round white freshwater pearls alternate one by one, dark light, and the way around. The result is this stunning rhythm, almost like a piano keys. It's clean, it's classic, it works with a business outfit, a casual look, or an evening gown. This necklace is the definition of effortlessly versatile. The second design is the chunky statement collar. Now, if you want something that hides the moment you walk in, picture a wide multi-row collar necklace sitting right above the collarbone. Large, chunky hematite round or barrels mixed with oversized baroque white pearls. Baroque pearls, for those who don't know, are irregular, non-round pearls. Each one is completely unique, and when you've heard those organic, imperfect pearl shapes with the polished, perfect geometry of hematite bead in a thick collar design. The tension between perfection and organic beauty is breathtaking. Now, the third design which I want to discuss with you is the long, layered lariat. This one is for the fashion forward jewelry lover. A long 28 to 32-inch strand of hematite that falls deep below the chest with scattered white pearl drop placed at intervals. Sometimes finished with a hematite pendant at the very end, maybe a flat hematite disc or a teardrop. So this design has an almost spiritual meditative energy to it. It's the kind of necklace that moves with your body. Now let's talk about bracelets because the hematite and pearl combination on the wrist is just as stunning as around the neck. Bracelet number 1, which is a design style, the simple stack bracelet. A single stack bracelet, stretch bracelet basically, 6 mm hematite and 6 mm white pearl alternating. Simple, clean, elegant. This is the bracelet you wear every single day and get compliments on every single day. Bracelet design number 2 is the stacked set. Three bracelets, one together, one full hematite strand, one full white pearl strand, and one alternating strand in the middle. Stack them together, and you have this gorgeous layered contrast that looks intentional and curated, but is actually just three simple bracelets. Bracelet design number 3 is the wide cuff multi-strand. This is a showstopper piece. 5 or 6 rows of alternating hematite and pearl strands all joined together at a single clasp to create a wide luxury cuff bracelet. It sits on the wrist like armor, but beautiful feminine armor. The fourth design is basically the charm bracelet. A hematite bead chain bracelet with a white pearl charms hanging at intervals, small pearl ropes, pearl hearts, pearl teardrops. So this adds a playful personal touch to an otherwise bold combination. I want to share a pro styling tip. If you are wearing the chunky statement collar necklace, keep the bracelet minimal. A single alternating strand is enough. But if you go with a long lariat necklace, feel free to stack 3 or 4 bracelets on both wrists and create that full luxurious look. Now let's discuss the most important question of the video, which is why this combo is trending. Now you might be wondering why is this combination having such a major moment right now? Here's the thing, we are living in an era of contrast dressing. Fashion is leaning into bold opposites. Structured blazer with flowy skirts, sneakers with gowns, minimalist pieces with street accessories, and hematite with white pearl is a jewelry version of that philosophy. It's not a one knot, it's not safe. It says, I know what I like, I know what I'm doing, and I'm not afraid to mix power with elegance. It is also photographed beautifully. The dark light contrast is stunning on camera, which is why you are seeing it all over Instagram and Pinterest and different platforms right now. And from a value standpoint, hematite is surprisingly affordable while still looking incredibly luxurious. Paired with fresh water pearls, and you have high-end aesthetic without the high-end price tag also. That's the sweet spot every seven jewelry lover looks for. And that's my beautiful jolly lover is the word of hematite and white pearl, a combination that carries centuries of history, a stunning visual contrast, and enough versatility to take you from Monday mornings to Saturday night without skipping a beat. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this beautiful collection, do subscribe the channel Baby Shine and share your valuable thoughts in comment section. Stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.